Hey, Mom. Oh, snap. Did Mommy make you some breakfast? Say thanks, Mom.
Thanks, Mom.
You're so awesome.
So awesome.
They got sausage, eggs, bacon, hash browns. Thank you, Mom. Are you dancing like the Rockettes? So you guys, 2 seconds ago, she was like lifting up her pants like the girls were and like lifting her feet up. Super cute. Oh, there you go. Apollo's really into it, you guys. Move those feet. Oh!
It's okay. Every rocket falls once in a while.
If that's not cute, something's wrong with you right now. Apollo, you comfy on the couch? Oh, are you getting loved this weekend? He's had more love this weekend than he's had in so long. Dog park, getting to lay on the couch. You got to cuddle with me and Mom last night after Baby Chick went to bed. He is having a good weekend. Morning, Mom. Me and Mommy haven't gotten ready for the day yet, if you couldn't tell. All right, you guys. It's time to build what we bought at IKEA yesterday.
Trying to figure out.
Who am I talking to? Is the camera up there? Yeah, Daddy's talking to the camera.
Is he silly?
Where is IKEA? Is that Sweden? Swiss?
So.
No, that's different. What do they speak in Sweden?
What?
Is it?
Swiss?
No, it's not Swiss, because that's Switzerland.
Cheese.
A lot of parts, you guys. I'm nervous. They did an amazing job packing that though. They got all this in that little box. Wish me luck. Hey, Mom.
You punk!
That may seem mean, but she did that to me earlier. She's like, hey, James, come here. I have something to tell you. I walked over, and she hit me right here in the head.
I didn't actually aim for you, though.
Oh, it's broken now. I can't even shoot you.
Okay, well, put it away. Fight fair.
Fight fair, she says.
That was closer distance.
What the deuce? It's broken.
Well, that's because your daughter...
There we go. Now I can shoot you right in the face.
I was all the way up
Butt
there.
shot.
I was all the way up there.
Punk.
I did not mean.
Now we're fair.
No, we're not. How does Daddy drive?
Okay, drive. This right here is the cutest baby biker jacket ever, / skirt combo. So many cute baby clothes. Mommy looks good. Can you say, Mommy, you look good today? Are you driving? Whoa, where are you going? Where are you going? You crazy driver? You crazy driver? Oh, you want me to go? Okay. No! Scare you, Mom? Can you say squirrel?
Hello.
Squirrel.
Hello.
I love you. Hello, my name's Doug.
My name is Doug. I have just met you, and I love you.
That's amazing.
You're my master? Oh boy. Oh boy. And here's howling.
Dang it. I was really hoping they had the squirrel in here.
I can smell you.
I was really hoping for a squirrel, but they didn't say it. Ooh. That's awesome. Rex is a scuba diver. Actually, there's a short where that's probably based off of. Actually, I don't see it. They have this Toy Story short where it's like bath time and Rex is shunned and it's like a rave in the bathtub and it's pretty awesome.
Alright guys, so hi. You're silly. Okay guys, sorry. Paul out. She doesn't need kisses. What happened? What happened? You got owies on your foot?
Yeah.
Do you need a binky to help it better? Okay, pick one. Okay guys, she has told me that 3 of her binkies are icky and she doesn't like them. I don't know if it's because she's kind of gotten used to some of the other ones because we kind of use them all the time. And so now these other ones are icky, or I don't know what. Anyway. Oh, you can put them in your crib? Okay. Good job. So, I'm sorry, have not vlogged it all today, but that is because a certain someone did not recharge the battery, and I didn't notice until I went to go vlog, and the battery was dead, so it's been charging. And now that it's charged, it's time for bedtime. So, I figured we could say hello and tell you guys the awesome thing that happened today. Hey kiddo, can you tell me, what did you do today? What did you do? Were you awesome? Look at mommy. Are you hiding? Are you funny?
Hey.
Hi.
Hey.
Oh, careful.
Hey.
Oi.
Hey.
Can you say, guess what guys? Say, I went pee-pee on the potty 3 times. She told me she had to go potty 3 times today before she actually went in her diaper. I was so excited. Say, yay me!
Yummy.
Yay! It is so exciting for those of you who are potty trained, have potty trained, trying to potty train, whatever. It is the most exciting thing when your child looks at you and goes, I have to go potty. And you're like, and you run to the bathroom and then they actually go. They actually go. So I know like 10 years from now, she's going to hate me for talking about this, but it is beyond exciting. So I just had to tell you guys that before she went to bed. So we're going to have story time. Again, really quickly, because I didn't want to give her a TREAT before she went to sleep because I already brushed her teeth. Can you sing it? Good job! You're silly.
Push it.
Here, I'll hold them. Roll it, pat it, and mark it with the B. And put it in the oven for baby chicken me.
Push it.
Hmm? Glasses? Did you find sunglasses? Are you looking good? Do you need them because it's so bright in here? You look like Elton John in baby form with a binky. Say, can you feel the love tonight? No? Do you need help? Are you wanting to wear them like Dada? Okay, come here. Okay, turn around. This is hard to do with the camera. There you go. Now you have them like Daddy. Say night-night, guys. Can you blow them kisses? Can you blow them kisses? Blow him a kiss. Oh, you can give him a kiss? Mwah. Can you give him a hug? Oh, love you, cutie patootie.
You're funny.
Ah, where'd my other one go? Are you a poor sport, James? I want you to squirm. Squirm, chick, squirm.
What's up, guys? It is super late. It's like, what, 12:31? And I have to get up at 6, so in about 5 hours. Yay! Anyways, as usual, everybody is asleep. I've been up working on stuff. Thank you for being understanding with all these one takes we've been doing lately. I know I apologized in the one take yesterday, and I know it's annoying to hear people apologize, but I honestly, like, feel bad putting up one takes. I feel like it's like backing out almost of my goal of doing a vlog every day. Even though it is a vlog, I just feel like it's lazy. Anyways, thanks for being cool with it, and I'm glad you guys liked it. Anybody dizzy yet? I'm getting dizzy. I've been doing this for a while now, before I even started talking to you guys. Anyways, thumbs up for awesome weekends. Thumbs up for beds in the living room. Thumbs up for cute baby chick running around Toys R Us. Thumbs up for being super dizzy right now. And we'll see you guys all tomorrow. Don't forget to like it. That's what the thumbs up means, is like. And don't forget to share it and tell a friend. You don't have to share it on Twitter or Facebook. You can, but you don't have to. But go up to a friend at work or a friend at school and be like, hey, you know what vlogging is? Dude, you should check out this family called The Chick's Life. It's awesome. I challenge you guys to tell a friend, even if they know what vlogging is, or whether they do or don't. Talk to them. Tell a friend about it. Anyways, see you tomorrow.